Guys, it's me, Jesus Chavez here at the Wenatchee Valley College. We're gonna work with this furnace, check it out and see if it's working well, see what components are inside of this, and then go from there.
Alright, I'm Ricardo here at the Wenatchee Valley College as well, and we're working on an electric furnace. We're gonna take the covers off so you guys can see the inside. Technical difficulties. Okay. We're gonna explain about this too.
Sure.
Alright, this is the cover, and all your information about your unit is right here. The unit rating, the voltage, the hertz, everything, the serial number for parts, motor, heat strips. It tells you pretty much the information you need for parts and voltages and stuff.
Alright, so now that we open up the furnace, we have our fan, our blower,
Our wire board?
Our wire board? Yeah.
Our circuit board right here, and the motors inside here, you can't see it.
Right now, everything, because of working on it, we have the unit
disconnected,
unplugged just for safety measurements. We don't want anything bad happening. Safety is always first. Right. So, right now that it's off, we can mess around with it. And so after we got here, up in this area over here, we got our sequencers. This unit only has 2 of them.
2 sequencers right there, you see?
We got our relays, and then we got our transformer, and then we got our elements, our heating elements on the top part. And right now, as we go through the video, we're gonna turn it on, test it, see if the heating elements are heating up properly, see, checking everything, make sure everything's working correctly, and then from there, test it. So, come on, we gotta put the covers back on.
Covers back on, or we're gonna show you guys a condenser too as well over here.
So besides it just being a heating, this one's also for cooling. Evaporator. And then down here in this portion, we have our air filter. So once in a while, check that, see if it's clean or not. See if it's for all the dirt and debris that gets caught up in there, change it out, get a new one going in. So that's it for this part. We're gonna put our covers back on. We're gonna get it going again, see how it works. I think we're ready to cover it up the top part. So now we're gonna get our energy going for a furnace. I'm gonna plug it in, see if this baby runs.
it goes.
Alright. Should see our Honeywell. And then this unit has a wireless, but it's a wireless so you can use it for Wi-Fi. But right now, if I'm not mistaken, we do not have it hooked up to Wi-Fi, but it should still run either way. So here we have it. It's reading temperature. So we're at 74 degrees inside, and you're gonna set it up, start it going.
So we're gonna go to system. We're gonna try the heating, make sure the heating works. Try some heat. Done. What's the temperature? To about 85. Done.
Now after that one's set up, going to fan. We have it in automatic as of right now, but we want to make sure it works, so we're just gonna turn it on. Should be good. Should start running. There it goes.
The time's running. This is an upright, right?
Yeah.
Upright furnace.
As it goes, it's barely turned on, so we're gonna have to wait for it to heat up and feel on top of the furnace. See if it's actually heating up. See if our elements are actually heating up properly as they should. And one thing about the elements, they should never turn red. So if by any chance you guys ever come to a furnace and you try to turn it on, you see that your elements are red because of maybe the fan's not turning on or any reason like that. Just for safety, unplug it, check and see all your wiring and your diagrams and everything is ready. Then start back at it again and see how it goes. So gonna get the camera, gonna get a little look up what looks up to be upstairs. So those right there are elements, and that's what produces the heat. Once the air goes through the elements, and the elements heat up the air going through, and then goes to the destination wherever your ductwork's going towards. So once the heat is to the desired point that our bodies are comfortably in, the system will turn off on its own. And then, as we see, it looks like the system's heating up well. Now we turned it off because it looks like, and it feels like we have achieved what we wanted with the heat, how it's worked.
Now we're going to set this to cooling. Make sure our cooling works. Cool. Done. I guess it's just... Set this the day and time on this guy. Today is
Yeah, better. Here, we can erase that later.
So it won't let us turn it on without the date.
Are you sure?
Yeah, I think.
If I'm not mistaken, we go to settings. We got it on cool already. Fan is on. Should be going. There you go. So at this point, we switched over from hot. Now we're going over to cold. And we'll check the air again and see how it's coming out. Feel if it's heated or not. Yep, I feel it's actually cooling down. So it works. This furnace works. Good job for this, and looks like we're ready to use this again in future time. So I guess this is it for us. Jose Jesus Chavez and
Ricardo Vasquez
here in Wenatchee Valley College for HVAC program.